guys, my name is Novia. They call me Start by Novia. That's my signature. Yeah, basically I sew, but this YouTube channel right now is for Big Brother House review, the Shine Ya I edition. So today happens to be the head of house game, and Boma won with 26 points. So Big Brother gave him the chance of 40 minutes to go deliberate on who is gonna pick for the deputy head of house. So the big news is the deputy head of house doesn't have immunity, and then Big Brother called Perry and Maria into the house to come and nominate those that will be up for possible eviction on Sunday. So Maria nominated Beatrice, Earrings, J. Paul, and White Money. White Money, it choke. For those that are going to Big Brother House next year, don't say an hotel now. Don't commit yourself to be the cook or the chef. It's like being a chef or being a cook in the head of house. Sorry, in the Big Brother House, it's like it's a norm. Those in the house must have a problem with you. They must nominate. That was what they did for Katrina last year. So White Money is up again this week. So Perry also nominated Beatrice, Earrings, Niyi, and White Money. So Big Brother told Boma to pick his deputy head of house, and he picked Jackie B. Oh my god, I was expecting him to pick Nini, but then if you like say these years housemates, he get a CB for them. So that about that. Big Brother told Boma, ask the head of house that he has the veto power to save and replace. Oh more, they put that guy for one tight corner. So he picked J. Paul. So he saved J. Paul, and guess who he replaced J. Paul with? Yusuf, our Bollywood actor. Oh my god. So now we have Beatrice, Earrings, Niyi, White Money, Yusuf. They are the ones up for eviction. And the thing is, oh my god, I had it in mind that okay, White Money is someone I'm gonna vote for. That if he's not up for eviction, I'm gonna vote for Beatrice, because Beatrice is being victimized in the house, and now Beatrice and White Money are up for eviction, and now I'm feeling really sad for Yusuf. So now I'm confused. What am I voting for? I don't know. But then please guys, vote for your faves. If your favorite is one of those that are up for possible eviction this Sunday, please vote for them. Because me, I've made up my mind. I'm gonna vote for Yusuf based on sympathy, though, or should I say empathy, whichever one. I'm just being biased this week. So starting from next week, yeah, if White Money is up for eviction, I'm gonna vote for White Money. But if it's not, if Beatrice doesn't end up going this week, which I'm not very sure of, I'll vote for Beatrice. But I am very sure White Money is going nowhere. So that's that about Big Brother Naija's Shine Ya I brief for today. And yeah, lest I forget, Big Brother gave them a punishment. They should be picking rice and beans. He mix rice and beans together. So that's their punishment. They should separate it. What a punishment. So it's your girl Novia. Meet me same time, same channel. Hopefully tomorrow if there's any gist going on in house. And yeah, don't forget about the truth or dare game that they played yesterday. Emmanuel showed, oh my god, I don't know if this is a channel where children is gonna watch. Emmanuel showed Licorose's dick for 5 seconds. Oh my god, the truth and dare game was, I don't know. But don't worry, just tune in next time. Maybe tomorrow, it might still be today, for other gist concerning Big Brother Naija Shine Ya I. Kisses.